Hi! In today's video I want to talk about the Disney BaubleBar collections. There have been a few. BaubleBar started creating Disney earrings and jewelry last summer. There was the summer collection, then there was one that came out around Christmas time, and now they have like a Valentine's Day kind of collection, but they're wearable for like all year. They're kind of just like hearts and love, and they're so cute. They also had a birthday, Minnie Mouse birthday earrings that came out around my birthday, and so that's what I got as one of my gifts. And those are the first ones that I got. I wanted to let you know too that some are available at the parks, some are available on shopdisney.com, and some are available on baublebar.com. So it really depends on which ones you want, where you want to shop, because they're kind of all over the place. These are the birthday ones. They have this little mylar looking mini bow. Her ears and the sides of her face are kind of like sprinkles, these little beads, and that was my concern, was those little beads. I thought, like, I wondered what the quality was, if they would fall off, and so far I'm very happy. I've probably worn these like 5 times. They feel like they're really secure. I don't really worry about these at all. I think they're pretty good quality. So very happy with these. She looks adorable. I love her cute little smile and squint. And the first pair of these that I got actually had a scratch on the face, and I sent a photo to BaubleBar and they got back quickly and actually sent me a new pair like right away. So also good customer service, which is really exciting. BaubleBar reached out after I posted my birthday earrings and asked if I would like to pick some pieces from their new collection. So I picked out these ones. They're so cute, and I'll also show you a close-up here. They're so cute. I love all the glitter and the little rhinestones, and I do think these are gonna stay. I'm a little bit of a rhinestone connoisseur. I like to buy pieces that last, so I'm curious to see how these will do over long, you know, for the long haul. But so far I love them. I feel really good about them, the way they're in there. I think it's gonna be good. So I also wanted to show you how they come in the box. So basically just a little box like this. Disney BaubleBar, so cute. So it opens like this. These are the other ones I picked. I think it was called Baci, B-A-C-I. I think it was kisses in Italian. Really cute. But I wanted to show you how the box works and stuff. So basically it just opens like this. And in case this matters to you, they do come with the little like rubber stopper or plastic stopper thing on the back of the earrings. I sometimes end up using those depending on the thickness of the earring. I haven't for these, but I do like to have those as an option to put behind the little post, or sometimes just the earring. I end up using those. Anyway, I like it when they come with those. So they're on here like this. They sit so cute in there. Here's a close-up of these. I love Minnie's pearl details on her bow. Mickey's little kisses. They're so adorable. These ones have an enamel type ear, rhinestones on the hearts, nice gold detailing. They have that same kind of face that's a little, kind of reminds me of like that shell that's like a little iridescent, but they are so pretty. I love these. They also have dangly ones. If you like dangly earrings, they have bigger earrings than these. I love earrings about this size. They're still a small earring. It's about the size of a quarter, and basically it's just enough to give you like a little, I don't know, fun dose of magic. I think they're so cute for the parks and stuff. I love them. And something really exciting for the current times, you can wear them with a mask. So some of my other earrings I just can't wear right now because if I'm putting anything over and around my ears, it's not gonna stay. I have another pair that are a little bit longer that have a bunch of rhinestones, and I can't get it around. So this gets around, it doesn't tug on it, it sits nicely. I love these, they're perfect. So I feel like overall the quality is really good. Very happy with them. That was one of my concerns. I had never tried BaubleBar before this. They have so many other really pretty things outside of the Disney collections, but I'm really happy about this. I hope they keep making more collections. I'd love to see what they continue to do. They have a lot of other pretty ones. I'm going to link below all of the current ones they have so you can check that out, because they have like some other ones in this collection. Minnie has like heart sunglasses on. There's a bridal pair. They're so beautiful. I'll put a little photo here because you have to see those right now. So cute. And yeah, I love these. I think they're so cute. They're great with your hair down. I would love them with my hair up as well. A nice like big bun, a bold lip, some pretty fun earrings. They're so cute. So I just want to give you a quick review, show you like the size kinda. I want to give you just a little look at the back so you can see that. Adorable. I love them. So they're not like full, they're not like mounded. It has like a little cutout here on the back, if you know what I mean. And they're really light still. Very happy with them. Thanks to BaubleBar for gifting me these and these. If you want to see how I styled them, I have the link to my Instagram below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a magical day.